And if Heartland Rideshare had a station closer to my home, I just would have jumped on a bike share. It would have been great content. Anyway, that's it for day 10 of the Great Nebraska 30-day winter cycling challenge.
Woo!
Confetti.
What are you talking about?
I feel like a fish out of water, like a trapped animal.
Who are you being?
I'm being, I don't know, a narrator on a PBS special about a man trapped in an automobile outside of his environment.
So when a person gets trapped in a car and they're outside of their environment, they also get an accent?
Yes. I am acting, Mary.
Acting like a weirdo.